knowledge. The majestic Amazon rainforest covers a land area equivalent to how many states in the United States? The answer is B. 42 U.S. states. That's huge. It shows the sheer scale of this vital ecosystem. Follow for more Amazon facts. How many mammals are hiding in the Amazon? Excluding invertebrates, how many different species of mammals have been identified in the Amazon so far? The answer is C. At least 427 species. And new ones are still being discovered. What surprised you most? Comment below. Invertebrates rule the Amazon, but by how much? What percentage of the total wildlife population in the Amazon rainforest is comprised of invertebrates, insects, and spiders? The answer is C. 90%. Insects and spiders are the true kings of the jungle. Hit like if you got it right. Guess the Amazon's tree count. How many different known tree species are found in the Amazon rainforest? The answer is B. More than 16,000 species. An incredible diversity essential for the global climate. Share this with a nature lover.